you start from your overhand butterfly, with your right hand, you should be able to go back to front, back to front, back to front. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you should be able to do, while the right one's in the front, the left one going back behind. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're starting from here in your butterfly, same basic idea, I'm just facing you. Bring one of them behind and then switch them both, switch them both, switch them both. From the back, that was the right hand, and you switch, switch, switch. So you start in the butterfly, right hand comes behind, and then you switch them both, switch them both, switch them both. That's with the right one leading, or you can do it where the left one goes behind, and then you switch them both. Neither is more correct. Back to butterfly, back to pinwheel, back to butterfly, back to pinwheel, back to butterfly, back to pinwheel, back to butterfly. Then we're going to go up to pinwheel, and then come back down to butterfly. Now we're going to come up to the pinwheel. Remember, with your left hand, to keep it in overhand. Up into the pinwheel, and then come back down to butterfly. And then one comes up to the pinwheel and switch, 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 and back to butterfly. And one goes to pinwheel and switch, 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 and back to butterfly.